In this study released in bioRxiv on October 27, 2025, researchers Ashish Joshi and Takahiko Koyama from Keio University and the Bio2Q Research Center have developed the first quantum algorithm designed specifically for analyzing how cells produce energy and grow. So why does this matter? Living cells are incredibly complex. They run thousands of chemical reactions simultaneously to stay alive. Understanding these reactions is crucial for developing new medicines, designing better biofuels, and even fighting diseases like cancer. The problem is, as we try to model larger biological systems, like entire microbial communities in your gut, the calculations become impossibly large for regular computers. This is where quantum computers come in. They offer a fundamentally different way to solve these massive problems, potentially making the impossible possible. Let's look at a concrete example. Here are two of the most fundamental energy pathways in cells, glycolysis and the TCA cycle. These are the processes that convert the food you eat into usable energy. Each arrow represents a chemical reaction, and each reaction happens at a specific rate. The goal is to find the optimal rates for all these reactions that maximize something biologically important, like how fast a cell can grow. This is called flux balance analysis. For this small network, there are 20 reactions to optimize. But real cells from many species have millions of reactions, and that's where regular computers start to struggle. Here's where quantum mechanics enters the picture. This is a quantum circuit. Think of it as a recipe for the quantum computer. Without getting too technical, quantum singular value transformation is the algorithm that solves very large systems of equations faster than classical methods, at least in theory. This circuit transforms the metabolic problem into quantum form, processes it, and extracts the optimal solution. And here are the results. The blue line shows how the quantum algorithm converges to the correct answer, the optimal flux distribution, that maximizes cellular growth. The black line is the true solution being targeted. On the right is the constraint satisfaction. This confirms that the solution respects the fundamental law of mass balance. Matter can't appear or disappear in the cell. This proof of concept demonstrates that quantum computers can accurately solve real biological optimization problems. As quantum hardware improves, this approach could scale to genome-scale networks and multi-species communities that are currently beyond computational reach. This work opens a new frontier in computational biology. At Bio2Q, we are envisioning transforming biology from experimental intensive to more computational, harnessing AI and quantum computing. Check out the full preprint on bioRxiv for all the technical details.